So if you're looking for a weighted vest, either for running or hiking or even just doing exercises and stuff, this one has a lot of neat features. There's pads up top, so no matter how much weight you're going to put in here, you're going to have it nice and comfortable. Going down the sides, we've got the straps, which right now are kind of attached up front. They're going to go into these strong D-rings and come back around and connect, and that way you can adjust from both sides just how big around you want this to be. So you can have it loose, you can have it tight, it's up to you. I prefer sometimes, like if I'm running, doing all kinds of jumping around and stuff, and with a lot of weight, then I'm going to want this tight. But if I'm just doing sit-ups and pull-ups and things like that, then a little looser is no big deal. So you've got these columns here with a hook and loop top, so you can add just as much weight as you want on both the front and the back. It's all made out of heavy-duty ballistic nylon, so it's going to stand up for a good long time, and it looks cool in all black. Hope this helps.